father. Why are you so worried? It's just a piece of paper. How can you say that it is not just a piece of paper? It is a national flag and the dignity of our nation. Do you know our constitution? In our constitution, we have a fundamental duty to abide by constitution and respect its ideals and institutions like the national flag and the national anthem. I am really very sorry. Okay, friend, from now I will take care of it and never I will repeat this again. Okay. We are sorry, we are sorry, we are sorry. Future right, do your duty, show your right. Future right, do your duty, show your right.
Wow, what a beautiful monument. Let me write my name on this monument.
Wait. Why are you writing name on this ancient home?
I am writing my name here so that when it become famous, people who come here will read my name and I am become most popular around the world.
Hey, are you out of your mind? Do you think you will right here, you will become famous? No. When people see this, they will think whoever did this, he or she destroyed the whole beauty of this monument and place.
But I am free to know what I want to do.
You must know that many people from foreign countries visit our country to see monuments so that they can know more about our culture and heritage. When they see this, what do they think? And it is our duty to safeguard public places and property like monuments, rivers, lakes, schools, and protect and preserve the beautiful heritage of our country.
Okay, friend, I will not do this again.
Okay.
I will not do this again. I will not do this again. I will not do this again.
Wait. Attention. Friends, it is not only that we should preserve our monuments, but it is also that we should safeguard public property. We should not write on tables and walls of our school, because by doing this, we are causing great harm to our school property. So, if you are doing such things, please think twice. Can anyone tell me whose duty is this to keep our school in good and clean condition?
It's our duty. It's our duty. It's our duty. Future right. Do your duty. Show your right. Future right. Do your duty. Show your right.
I am not going to do this work. This is not my work. You have to do this. This is your work. Children, why are you arguing? No one cannot your work. Procedure is just a mindset, and if you stand alone, you lose, and if we stand united, we won. So now we will do the work together. Thank you, Uncle. Now we will do the work together and show our unity in diversity. Okay.
We will do the work together. We will do the work together. We will do the work together and show our unity in diversity. Future right. Do your duty. Show your right. Future right. Do your duty. Show your right.
Hey, let's go for a shopping.
Okay.
Hey, can I also go with you for shopping?
No, you are not me and do. How can you come with us?
Hey guys, what's our talking? We are living in a secular country. In India, all peoples live together without any discrimination. Here, Hindu, Muslim, Christians, and Sikh all are Indians and live together. And each individual has the freedom to live by their and religion beliefs and practices. And it's our duty to respect the ideas of each religion.
We are sorry. We are very sorry.
It's okay.
We are sorry. Future right. Do your duty. Show your right. Future right. Do your duty. Show your right.
Different rights and duties are the two sides of the same coin. It is responsibilities for all the citizens to help promote a spirit of patriotism and to uphold the unity of India. Thank you. Now I am going to read the preamble of our constitution. All of you please stand up and stretch your hand.
We the people of India.
We the people of India.
Having solemnly resolved.
Having solemnly resolved.
To constitute India.
To constitute India.
Into a sovereign.
Into a sovereign.
Democratic.
Democratic.
Republic and to secure.
Republic and to secure.
All its citizens.
All its citizens.
Justice.
Justice.
Social.
Social.
Economic and political.
Economic and political.
Liberty of thought.
Liberty of thought.
Expressions.
Expressions.
Belief.
Belief.
Faith and worship.
Faith and worship.
Equality of status.
Equality of status.
And of opportunity.
And of opportunity.
And to promote among them all.
And to promote among them all.
Fraternity.
Fraternity.
Assuring the dignity of the individual.
The dignity of the individual.
And the unity of the nation.
And the unity of the nation.
In our Constitution, established this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Thank you. Future bright. Future bright.